We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten the gist of who I am, what I'm about, and what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And of course, please click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So disclaimer, I'm in the office and I'm filming off of my phone. The lighting is probably going to bounce around because there's just a lot going on here, but I'm just gonna make this video and I hope that it will reach you guys well. Today's topic or today's video is on loving yourself. We talk about self-love all the time, but I think, and I'm including myself in this, I think this is also kind of like just a conversation with myself as well, something that I'm learning. Self-love, true self-love. Self-love for me has a lot to do with knowing my worth, number one. It also has a lot to do with being able to sit yourself down and be like, you messed up, forgive yourself. You messed up, you need to sort this out. You have this bad habit that you've developed, deal with it, work on it. Self-love has a lot to do with taking inventory on yourself, picking at yourself, but in a positive way, not in a way where you are now bashing yourself and you're speaking negatively about yourself. No. I think it's very important that we not only look into the positive things about us, but also take note of the things that are not so positive and change those things. I'm gonna call myself out. I know that I have been a very big procrastinator. It's something that I know about myself, and it's something that I am trying to deal with. It is something that I'm trying to work on. Why? Because I love myself too much to allow myself to stand in my own way, to stand in the way of my own dreams. You know, that's just self-sabotage, and I need to work on that. So self-love for me entails also just looking into your bad habits and working on them, because you don't want to find yourself in a situation where you have just sabotaged your whole entire life and you have been your own biggest obstacle. Sorry about that. And you have been your own biggest obstacle, whether it comes to starting a new business, whatever it is that you want to start. You stand in your own way if you don't even know your worth, if you don't even work on yourself to make yourself better, not just for the other person but for yourself, so that you are happy with yourself, so that you are happy with what you are bringing to the table, so that you are happy with the person that you see in the mirror every single day, right? I also want to touch on the importance of forgiving yourself. Forgive yourself for your past mistakes. We all make mistakes, and there are so many lessons to be learned in this lifetime. Don't dwell on that one mistake and allow it to define you. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for making a wrong choice. Forgive yourself for going into the wrong circles, dabbling in the wrong things. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. Let it go and move on. Learn from it and just move on. You don't want to stop yourself from being greater simply because you have this weight on your shoulders that is just holding you back, that is pushing you down and making you believe that you are such a bad person. You're not a bad person. You just made bad decisions. And you can change those things. You can change those things. You don't have to stay in that space. You don't have to stay in that mindset. You can change. So do that. Do that for yourself. And lastly, but I think this kind of like overlaps on the points that I've already made in the video. That is, take time to sit down with yourself and really just evaluate who you are, what you're about, what are your dreams, what are your goals, what mistakes have you made, who have you wronged, who has wronged you, who do you need to forgive, what grudges are you holding. This is something that I've actually come to realize in myself, that I sometimes push things to the side because I don't want to deal with them. I don't want to address them right now. I just want to stay in a positive mindset. But I feel like that just kind of takes you back 10 steps, because there's going to come a time where that thing is going to be triggered by something. And because you haven't dealt with it, it's going to pop up in a manner that is not healthy. So I think it's very important that, we are aware of things that maybe we might be bottling up. If you don't deal with it now, if you don't, or at least try, or start the process of healing from it, start the process of dealing with it, it is gonna pop up at some point. It might not pop up now, it might not pop up tomorrow, it might not pop up in the following year, but at some point it will come up, and you'll realize that, oh my gosh, I've been suppressing so much. I've been suppressing all these emotions, and that's probably why A, B, and C has been happening, or why I've been feeling like A, B, and C, So I think it's very important that we learn to just be honest with ourselves. Be honest with yourself, be true to yourself, be true with who you are, and be comfortable in your own skin, be comfortable in who you are, everything about you, even the negatives. Be aware of those things and work on them and deal with them and accept those things that you can accept, deal with those things that need to be dealt with, heal from those things that you need to heal from, and just work towards becoming a better person. I think that's the best thing that we can do for ourselves every single day. Work on something that makes you a better version of yourself every single day. Be better than you were yesterday. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here, and I hope that it reaches somebody and that it speaks to somebody. And yeah, love yourself, be true to yourself, take inventory, deal, heal, let go. Yeah, let go and let God. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you thought about the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. And of course, share this video to let people know that we are here and we hang out here every now and then. It's kind of cool. You get like random videos in random spaces every now and then. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.